To bende tend migao mano ma ochung'ne migao no mano mar limbe e pacho kae. E buo Museum of Kenya ochako chenro mano mar chwalo tije ne counties duto te mangima e pacho kae. Kawuono piny owacho mano mamalo ne oketo kokgi e winjruok kod piny owacho mano ma county ma Kisumu e bero wechego mago mag limbe mana kaka ilerono kod jafwambo marwa Justus Adoyo.
Duol mochung'ne rito gike ni e pacho kaendi The Museum of Kenya gikone to koro chako chenro mar chwalo tije ne counties duto ma e pacho kaendi mano koluwore kod pend chik ma pacho kaendi ma bende dwaro ni mwandu maket kod mago koro ta kod counties ka Kisumu County en achiel kuom counties go eko ma chenro maket kod maendi koro ne ochakie. Ma en okang' mineno kaka yono ero ma bende biro neno ni welo mang'eny koro chopo e gwengewa bende gundho kendo bero kuonde neno gikeni maket kod mago. Laktar Matthew Chengo Willy en jalup gavana e sirkand kaunti ma Kisumu.
Professor Peter Anyang'o, we have just in a short while ago signed what you call an intergovernmental partnership agreement. It's not an MOU, it's not what you're asking, it is what you call intergovernmental partnership agreement. Transferring functions of the museum that we have in Kisumu from the national government who have been running it before, the National Museums of Kenya, to the county government, of course in fulfillment of Schedule 4 of the 2010 Constitution.
E kinde tok mare kod jofwambo kinde mabende ne giketo kokgi e obok maket kod maendi, jalup gavana no ero ne onyiso mor margi kaka kaunti kendo ikruok mabende gintiere go.
But I must hasten to say that we are happy, we are grateful that as a county we now have the opportunity to run that facility. We have, of course, invested money in there to improve it and just to ensure that it lives to its billing. It's probably the only museum, okay, within Kisumu and within the region. So it is incumbent upon us to work with relevant stakeholders to ensure that it lives up to the standard.
Kabende migosi Willy koro yango ikruok mabende gin go kaka sirkand kaunti ma Kisumu mag dhi nyime kod bero chenro maket kod mago.
So we've taken the opportunity also to engage with the Ministry of Culture. You know that this year Kisumu will be holding the 5th Piny Luo, and it's a celebration of culture, it's a celebration of our heritage, and the team that is here really are the ones that will work together with the county to ensure that we have a very successful one. Of course, we'll be having our preparatory meetings beginning next month. But the minister was here. We've already briefed her, and we've already briefed the PSA as well. And we are happy that we are going to host that particular event.
Bende olero ne achiel kuom weche mabende ne gitwake en gero kiruno ero mar somo kata library mabende oluongo nying ruodh Luo mabende ne okedo ne ogandane mane migosi Robert Ouko.
Of Kisumu, that we will build a national library in honor of Dr. Robert Ouko, the late, and we are hoping that in our engagement with them, this is one other project that will come to fruition. Tourism.
Korka kore jagore ten migao mochung'ne weche mag limbe pacho kaendi mano mikae Umi Bashir bende ne odhi nyime kod yango chenro maket kod magi.
Hand over the Kisumu Museum to the national government, and we're doing this today in Kisumu County together with IGRTC, who have walked this journey with the National Museums of Kenya, national government as a whole, together with the county government of Kisumu. So the museum is 4.2 hectares, is sitting on a 4.2 hectares parcel of land. We have also sent some staff from the national government, the national museums, around 13, to also support the transition process.
Mikae Umi Bashir bende no yango geno mabe gintiere go kod county se pacho kaendi emomiyo gichwalo chenro maket kod magi.
So funds follow the functions, and we hope that devolving this particular museum will open up the tourism sector in this western circuit, and also increase the number of tourists, enhance our culture and our heritage as a whole, particularly this area, encourage international tourism and also local tourism.
Kabende Mikai Bashiro yango ni chenro maket kod ma ok chwale Kisumu County kende, ten chenro bende dhi nyime counties mamoko e pacho ka indi mangima.
So we have no doubt that the county governments will uphold the status of the museums. We are devolving, just for purposes of record, 7 museums. And Kisumu is one of them. We have Wajir, we have Narok, we have devolved Kitale. And we're doing this because we are implementing Schedule 4 of our constitution, whereby devolved functions go to the county governments. And as a state department, we've also done this for the library.
Nekala TV Koke Kisumu County and Justice Adoyo.